What are you doing? You take it. Can you just show it to her? Oh, where'd it go? Ooh, spray it. You're gonna have a mess. That's okay. See. You gonna spray yourself?
He did a minute ago.
Whoa.
He's very proud
Did
of
himself.
not to do it again in his face.
How long can
Keep looking at
It's
it.
gonna amuse him for hours.
There you go, just getting the spray ball. Nice guy.
A mess. You make a mess. Behold, the all-powerful water bottle.
And he's still got the clips in his hand.
He's pro beauty shop.
You're so funny, Chapman. You're so funny.
You said what?
What?
You spray in the water. Ooh, this is fun. Mommy's leg's getting a little cold though.
Uh-oh. He says no.
Okay, ready? Such a good job. Oh, goodness gracious.
Oh my god.
You don't have to do that. And then it took a turn.
What's so funny is he's got this surprised look on his face like he don't know it's coming.
No, every time. Oh. Well, you're refreshed. Okay, I think we've had enough. Mama didn't bring back up close to the beauty shop. Okay, say bye-bye.
No.
Let's hit the button.